I'm the third world.
Are you?
No, you are.
في سنة 2011 اتعرضت سلسلة وثائقية عالمية اسمها The Story of Film An Odyssey من إخراج ناقد سينمائي اسمه مارك كازن، وكان هدفها تكسر سيطرة هوليوود وتسلط الضوء على مخرجين عظماء من بلاد تانية زي إيران والسنغال والهند ومصر. وفي لقطة هنا ظهر يوسف شاهين مش بس كمخرج لكن كصوت حضارة بيواجه فكرة الغرب عننا، وردوا على مارك لما قال له أنت من العالم الثالث.
I'm the third world.
Are you?
No, you are. We've proven that we were civilized 7,000 years ago. That's not civilization. Civilization is how do you contact the other people? Do you know how to love? Do you know how to care? This is civilization. If you go to a very poor man here and he has nothing to give you, he'll go and borrow from his neighbors a loaf of bread and he'll offer it to you. In Europe, you may faint and drop dead in the street and people will just walk away from you and they don't give a shit. So we have to know what the word civilization means. And then we could say first world, third world, then.